Dashboard page will show you the complete details. Total vehicles being tracked by the GPS tracking software, with total vehicles added this month. Total users who have access to the GPS tracking software, with total users added this month. Total vehicles expiring in next 30 days. Pending payments in that particular month. Status of the vehicles, whether it is running, stop, not working, or no data. Clicking on that particular status will display the list. Launching campaign for promotion of new products, services and offers. Dashboard include the user analytics graph, which displays the total number of users and vehicles that have been added to the GPS tracking software over the period of the last 1 year, and also provides you the growth rate. The dashboard also displays the list of users that were recently added to the software. By clicking on the View All button, you can access the list of the users. The dashboard also displays the list of vehicles that are going to expire. By clicking on the View All button, you access the complete list of vehicles. Requesting credits to SuperAdmin is also possible through the admin. By clicking on the Request Credit button, you will see the dialog box to request credits. You can enter the credit count and press the Request button to save the requirements. Map menu allows you to see the number of vehicles being tracked by the software on the map page. The number of cluster markers on the map can indicate the total number of vehicles or assets currently being tracked. On clicking on the cluster marker, you will be further able to see the location of all vehicles. The map also includes a zoom in and zoom out function, which allows the user to adjust the level of detail displayed on the map. View menu allows you to manage the vehicles and users and view the details on the calendar. Users allow you for management of user accounts and their associated data. New users can be added by the Add New User button by entering the details, which include the profile name, company name, username, password, mobile number, email, and address details. The list of the users who are accessing the GPS tracking software will be displayed, with their corresponding details like their company name, mobile number, email ID, and the date of creation, and a unique ID is generated for every user. The list of users can also be exported in the format Excel and CSV. Users can be activated or deactivated using the toggle button. For managing of user accounts and their associated data information, click on Username, and you can edit features. Profile allows you to manage details such as name, contact details including the mobile number and the email ID, address and login credentials. The admin can also modify the password by the Set Password button. Users can also be deleted with the Delete button. Vehicles allows you manage the information about the vehicles or assets being tracked, such as their make, model, IMEI number and validity. Vehicles can be removed from the user account by clicking the Unsigned button. New vehicles can be added to the users by clicking on Assign New Vehicle button and selecting the vehicles to be assigned and clicking on the Assign button. Admin can also take notes for the users by entering the text and clicking the Add Note button. Click on the Add Payment button and select the vehicle, and enter the payment information, amount, payment mode, reference, and save to record payment, and license will be renewed for the next 1 year. Files can be added using the Upload File button on the Files menu. Feedback can also be managed by using the Feedback section on the Feedback menu. Vehicle management allows you to manage vehicle details. New vehicles can be added by the Add New Vehicle button and following the steps. Selecting the user from the Select User tab. If the user doesn't exist, new users can be added by Add Users tab. Selecting the vehicle type and the device model and entering the registration number, device model, IMEI, and SIM number. The list of vehicles can also be exported in the format of the Excel and CSV. Other details such as registration number, IMEI number, SIM number, user account associated with the device, type of the vehicle, and model of the hardware device, and validity. For managing of vehicles accounts and their associated data information, click the vehicle number, and the software will provide the option to manage the other features. Vehicle management, click on the Edit button to modify details including the registration number, IMEI number, SIM number, vehicle type, and device model. Vehicles can also be deleted using the Delete button. License can be renewed using Renew Vehicle button. Users can be removed from the user account by clicking the Unsigned button. New users can be added to the users by clicking on Assign New Users button and selecting the users to be assigned and clicking on the Assign button. Map displays the location of all vehicles in real time. The map view will also provide the option to zoom in and zoom out of the map, and there also the option select different types of the maps. Send commands. This feature allows administrators to send commands to vehicles, such as turning the engine on or off, locking or unlocking the doors, or any other function as per the capability of the device. Logs. The logs of all vehicle activity, including location, speed, fuel consumption, and other data can be accessed by selecting the date and clicking on the Check Log button. Calendar view in the software allows you to view information about the new vehicles and users added, as well as vehicles getting expired in the coming days, using different colors. To view the details, click on the particular vehicle or the user, and details will be displayed in the form of the dialog box. The details can be viewed in the format of the day, week, or month. Under the Utility tab of the software, following functions can be performed. Support and feedback. Admin can view the feedback of the users, and also the list can be exported in the PDF, Excel, and CSV formats. Announcement. Click on the Add Announcement, and the dialog box will allow you to add the complete details: title, validity, type of announcement, followed by the description. You can also add custom announcement by adding the details in the format of the name, mobile number, address, and the company details. The admin can select the users they want to send the announcement. Finally, they can push the announcement by clicking on the Save Announcement button. Email campaign. Click on the New Campaign button, and the dialog box will allow you to add the complete details, including email title, email description, campaign start date, and campaign end date. You can also add custom email campaign by adding the details in the format of the name, mobile number, address, and the company details. The admin can select the users they want to send the email. Finally, they can start the campaign by clicking on the Add Campaign button. Sending notifications. Click on the Add Notify button, and the dialog box will allow you to add the complete details, such as title, message, image URL, and the launch URL. You can also add custom notifications by adding the details in the format of the name, mobile number, address, and the company details. The admin can select the users they want to send the notifications. Admin can also view the preview and select the source they want to notify, mobile or web, and also select the date campaign. Finally, they can push the notification by clicking on the Save Notify button to send the notification. Webhook. Webhook in our software used for integration and exchanging data in real time. curl is a command line language commonly used for post requests for sending data. To create or request a data post, enter the title, select user, vehicle, and enter curl function. You'll need to customize the curl command based on the specific data you want to send and the requirements, like IMEI, lat, long. To validate the curl code, click on the Validate button and check the response. If value is true, means the curl is successful, save the function, and the data will get posted on the destination server. Renewal. The list of vehicles under the admin account will be displayed. If you want to search a particular vehicles, you can enter the vehicle number in the search bar, and it will redirect it to the vehicle details. Click on the Renew button, which allows you to enter the mode, amount, and reference number of the payment. Click on the Activate Renewal button to renew the license of the particular vehicle for the next 1 year. Payments. Click the option for Add New Payment. Select the user and vehicle you want to record payment for. Enter the payment information, such as the amount paid, payment method, and payment reference. Once you have entered the payment information, save the payment record and license will renewed for that particular vehicle. Settings. Settings tab can allow the admin to manage the following settings of the software, which includes company information. Update the basic details such as the name, profile name, mobile number, email ID, address, and PIN code with the Update Details button. Logo and icon. Logo and favicon, with a maximum of 400 kilobytes, PNG format, and transparent background can be updated. Branding setup. Social media links with Android and iOS application links can be added in this section, and can be saved by clicking on the Update Details button. Password. Password can also be updated using this section by entering the old password and replacing with new password and confirming it by the Update Password section.